Welcome students, myself Professor Vikrant Palatsha. I welcome you all in my YouTube channel Professor Vikrant Palatsha's Education Hub. In this video, we are going to learn the multiple choice questions of FY BCom subject Financial Accounting second on the unit number 2 Final Accounts of Charitable Trust. So let's begin. Question number 1. The main object of non-profit organization is option A to earn the profit, option B to serve the society, option C to prepare profit and loss account, and option D profit maximization. And the correct option it is option B to serve the society. Question number 2. Which of the following is not a not-for-profit organization? Option A charitable trust, option B hospital, option C club, and option D partnership firm. And the correct one it is option number D partnership firm. Partnership firm is not a not for profit organization. It is a profit making organization. Next question number 3. Which statements of accounts are prepared in not profit organizations? Option A receipt and payment account, option B income and expenditure account, option C balance sheet, and option D all of the above. And the correct option it is option number D all of the above. Next question number 4. Receipts and payments account is a option A personal account, option B real account, option C nominal account, and option D none of these. And correct option it is option number B real account. Next question number 5. Income and expenditure account includes option A revenue items, option B capital items, option C long term items, and option D short term items. And the correct option it is option number A revenue items. Next question number 7. Income and expenditure account is a option A personal account, option B real account, option C nominal account, and option D none of these. And correct option it is option C nominal account. Next question number 6. Receipts and payments account is a summary of option A all capital receipts and payments, option B all revenue receipts and payments, option C all revenue and capital receipts and payments, and option number D none of the above. And correct option it is option number C all revenue and capital receipts and payments. All revenue as well as capital receipts and all payments recorded under the receipt and payment account. Next question number 8. Income and expenditure account generally indicates option A surplus or deficit, option B cash balance, option C capital fund, and option D net profit or loss. And correct option it is option A surplus or deficit. Next question number 9. In a non-trading concerns, excess of income over expenditure is called option A profit, option B surplus, option C loss, and option D deficit. And the correct option it is option number B surplus. Next question number 10. Receipts and payments account usually indicates option A surplus, option B capital fund, option C debit balance, and option D credit balance. And the correct option it is option number C debit balance. Next question number 11. Legacies should be treated as option A liability, option B revenue receipt, option C income, and option D assets. And the correct option it is option number A liability. Next question number 12. Specific donation is option A capital receipt, option B revenue receipt, option C general receipt, and option D specific receipt. And the correct option it is option A capital receipt. Next question number 13. Outstanding subscription is an option number A income, option B asset, option C liability, option D expenses. And the correct option it is option B asset. Outstanding subscription is treated as asset. Next question 14. Subscription received by club in advance is shown in dash. Option A asset side of balance sheet, Option B, liabilities side of balance sheet. Option C, debit side of receipt and payment account. And option D, credit side of receipt and payment account. And the correct option, it is option B, liabilities side of balance sheet. Any kind of subscription received by club in advance, that is always shown under the liabilities side of balance sheet. Next, question number 15. Entrance fees received by a club is treated as option A, revenue receipt, option B, capital receipt, option C, revenue expenditure, and option D, none of these. And the correct option, it is option A, revenue receipt. Next, question number 16. Subscription received during the year rupees 50,000. Subscription outstanding at the end of the year is rupees 8,000. Subscription outstanding at the beginning of the year is rupees 6,000. Now, net income from subscription will be option A, rupees 48,000, option B, rupees 64,000, option C, rupees 52,000, and option D, rupees 36,000. From these four, the correct option, it is option B, rupees 52,000. Now, how we get this answer? The solution of this, subscription received during the year is how much given? 50,000. In that, we have to add subscription outstanding at the end of the year, that is given 8,000. So it becomes 58,000. Then from that, we have to less subscription outstanding at the end of the year. And how much it is given? It is given 6,000. And therefore, the correct answer, it is net income from subscription 52,000. Okay. Next one. If income is rupees 16,000 and deficit debited to capital fund is rupees 4,300, then expenditure is option A, rupees 16,000, option B, rupees 4,300, option C, rupees 20,300, and option D, rupees 20,400. And the correct option, it is option C, it is rupees 20,300. So how it comes? Expenditure is equal to income plus deficit. Income is given 16,000 plus deficit 4,300, and therefore it is 20,300. Next, question number 18. For non-trading organization, honorarium is a capital expenditure, option A, option B, a revenue expenditure, option C, an income, and option D, the receipt. And the correct option, it is option B, a revenue expenditure. Next, question number 19. If in non-trading concerns, excess of income over expenditure is called excess of income over expenditure. Option A, profit, option B, surplus, option C, loss, option D, deficit. And the correct option, it is option B, surplus. And now the last question, number 20. Balance of income and expenditure account shows option A, cash in hand, option B, capital fund, option C, net profit, option D, excess of income or expenditure, or vice versa. And the correct option, it is option D, excess of income or expenditure, or vice versa. So in this way, in this video, we have studied the multiple choice question on unit number 2. Dear students, I request all of you kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Professor Vikrant Palatshah's Education Hub for such more videos, as well as press on the notification icon. Thank you all of you.